Hey, I have a rare moment at home by myself right now. The kids are off playing at the neighbor's house. My husband hasn't gotten home from work yet, and I have been dying to show you guys this new thing we've been doing with homeschool. I don't have any makeup on today. I haven't done anything. Threw my hair in a ponytail, but um, I wanted to do this quick video because I knew that if I didn't take advantage of this moment, then I wouldn't have another one. So, um, I know a lot of you probably have heard of Lapbooks before, and we have discovered them and their amazingness. And I kind of wanted to show you how we use Lapbooks. And if you don't know what Lapbooks are, you're going to find out in this video. So I'm going to see if I can turn my camera around real quick and show you. So each week we pick a theme. I don't know if I can. Oh, no, that's just taking a picture of myself in the video. Dang it. Okay, well, I'll just have to turn my camera around. I'm not tech savvy. So, each week we pick a theme. The kids get to pick, take turns picking. This week, my oldest picked, and he picked crocodiles, alligators, gharials, caimans, all those fun things. And so I go online, and there is this website. I'll link it in the comments. It is amazing. It has tons and tons and tons of free lap books that you can print off, and then you get your folders and you pull them together. I'll show you how I do that. Anyway, so we picked crocodiles, and I'll show you. And so I print off different things. I have kids of all different ages from 10 to 3, so I print off things that are going to be easy. So like my kindergartner age does this one. My 3-year-olds do this one. And then down here, I've got these different ones. So fun facts about crocodiles. And my little first grader wrote, sorry, I don't want this to come off the wall. Wrote some fun facts about crocodiles in here. Learned about the habitats. My 4th grader filled out this one. He went online and he filled out different ones about the habitats of alligators, caimans, crocodiles, because they all live in similar ones, but they're all different locations in the world. My 1st grader did, what do they eat? So I put them all up on my wall throughout the week, and then so they can go and they can look, they can see what they've learned. And then what I do is at the end of the week, after we've finished our unit, I take everything off the wall, and instead of throwing it away, I create these lap books. They're so cool, guys, so cool. Okay, I'm gonna set you up right here so I can use both my hands. So our first unit was elephants. So we did we had made a little elephant parade with these little elephants. Everybody kind of did their own. So these are just like file folders that you get. You can get them on Amazon. And then we pasted those things I was showing you on the wall, and we paste them in here, and they can come and they can go through this, and they can revisit and learn, study what they learned. And everything they learned about elephants is in this file folder. And it doesn't just have to be animals. My son was struggling with division, so I made him this division one. He had to fill out all of these. I mean, this is dividing with eighths, and this is about remainders. You can see that right there. It talks about what a remainder is. Sevens, sixes, this is threes. So he had to do all the work. He had to learn, how to do it all. But then it's right here, and it's a nifty resource for him. He can go back through, and it will help him with long division. My things are popping out. It even came with a nifty bingo division game. And it helped him so much, guys. Like, he was struggling so much with division, and that just totally made it click for him. Another fun thing, speaking of division, I found this. This wasn't part of the lap book, but I found it, and I just wanted to show you. My battery's dying, so hopefully I have time. This is a racetrack, and you like each one, you put a different car in each one, and then you have these flashcards, and he has to solve the problem. And then when he solves the problem, he moves the car one space, whatever the answer is. 8 divided by 8, well, that's 1. So he's going to move this car one space. Anyway, he's going to go through the whole deck and see which car ends up winning. Super cool. I might have to do a separate video of him actually playing it, but that also really helped him, and he loved it. It was so much fun. So I just keep them in a box like this, and keep it on my bookshelf. And my kids can go back and learn, relearn, study. They can interact with it. And I just love it because I'm not throwing the stuff away. We're not like finishing a unit and then throwing stuff away. It's staying, it's in its own little spot. They can look at it whenever. I am in love with Lapbooks. Have you ever tried Lapbooks before? Let me know.